Hi everyone, I'm Maxwell Massey with this week's Weekend Update. Tragedy hit Canada last Wednesday when two shootings rocked the capital and left one soldier dead. Corporal Nathan Cirillo was guarding the National War Memorial in Ottawa when he was gunned down by Michael Babu. Babu, a 32-year-old man from Montreal, then opened gunfire in nearby Parliament and was killed by officers. 3 people were brought to the Ottawa hospital after the shooting, but all have been released. The gunman had previous criminal record of drugs and violence, and it appears he had ties to the Canadian jihadists. He converted to Islam within the past decade and at some point radicalized and attempted to travel to Syria. However, he was not one of the extremists being investigated by Canadian authorities before his death. On Monday, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court suspended Justice Seamus McCaffrey over his involvement in a pornographic email scandal. Chief Justice Ronald Castilla disclosed to the court last week that from 2008 to 2012, McCaffrey had sent or received 234 emails with sexually explicit content or pornography. Earlier today, Justice Michael Eichen claimed that McCaffrey had been threatening to leak inappropriate emails Eichen had received if he didn't back McCaffrey against Castilla. McCaffrey had since apologized and called his actions a lapse in judgment. McCaffrey may not perform his judicial duties during the next month while the Judicial Conduct Board investigates the alleged allegations of his misconduct. Penn State has involved itself in yet another lawsuit related to the Jerry Sandusky child sex abuse case. On Thursday, the university joined Pepper Hamilton LLP in trying to prevent the release of the law firm's documents. The law firm is currently involved in a civil case between the family of late Joe Paterno, the NCAA, and others over the legality over the NCAA's sanctions against the university. Louis Freeh, the former FBI director who investigated the university's handling of the case and largely contributed to the sanctions decision, is a partner at the law firm. The firm and Penn State are claiming the wanted documents are protected by attorney-client privilege doctrine. Penn State's biggest criminals are at large have been brought to justice. University police announced on Tuesday that the Penn State Lives Here banner that was stolen off Sackett Building last semester has been returned. The banner, which was part of Penn State's new branding campaign, was valued at $1,750. It was found on September 9th in an apartment on Vira Boulevard. 3 students admitted to stealing it and have been referred to the Office of Student Conduct, but no criminal charges have been filed. That's it for the Weekend Update. For PSN News, I'm Maxwell Massey. Have a great weekend.